There are a few series that we want to watch again and again as we want to relive the moment. This is one of those series for audiences that should have multiple seasons, so will we be able to watch the second season? Will the storyline continue into the next season? We're going to answer all of these questions in this video. Try to watch the complete video till the end. To always receive recent information about your favorite shows, movies, and series, subscribe and press the bell icon. Will there be a second season of the Crash Course in Romance? Although there may have been some hope for a season 2, the plots of the first season had already been ended. The lack of an official announcement shows that there have not been enough motivation to continue the show at that time. TV networks sometimes evaluate criteria like viewership ratings when determining whether to renew a series. According to the most recent sources that we have accessed recently, which include reporting from articles and other journals published during the period of February and July 2023, there has been no formal statement that the show will return for a second season. This implies that season 2 was not planned, at least not at that time, and it may not happen anytime soon. When will the second season be released? There's currently no word on whether season 2 of the Korean drama series Crash Course in Romance will be produced or released, so there are no release dates available. What would be the storyline of the series? When it is determined that Hang Seon has finally earned her sports instructor certification, Cheol celebrates with his students before going to meet his partner. Now that they're able to get married, the two may begin their joint lives. The happy couple displays their love in public towards the end of the season. These adorable moments can be relived in the second season from a different angle. We can explore the lives of these two main protagonists in a different way. For instance, we can watch them growing up together with a baby or struggle for the attainment of other blessings of life. The story can be discovered and refilmed from different angles. We're going to share any developments that may surface in the near future regarding this series. To receive our latest notifications about your favorite shows, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Also, like and share our videos with your friends and family.